Bazaar Special Edition.
Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. Viewers, politics has an amazing capability to defy geographies, climate and weather. In the nation's capital, the mercury is dipping, but the political temperatures are soaring. Relatively, Delhi is a small-sized assembly with just 70 seats, but it is one of the most fiercely contested political turfs in the entire country. The latest in Delhi is the arrest of Aam Aadmi Party MLA Naresh Balyan by Delhi police yesterday for allegedly operating an extortion racket with gangster Kapil Sangwan. He has been under probe since last year after an audio clip of a purported conversation between him and a gangster surfaced. Questioning the timing, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal alleged that Naresh Balyan is a victim of BJP's conspiracy. Listen.
कल हमारे एक एमएलए को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया। उस एमएलए का कसूर ये था कि वो एमएलए भी इस किस्म के गैंगस्टर्स का विक्टिम था। उसके पास भी फिरौती की और अलग-अलग तरह से गैंगस्टर्स की कॉल्स आ रही थी। आज से 1.5-2 साल पहले उसके पास कई सारी कॉल्स आई, जिसकी बाकायदा उसने लिखित शिकायत दिल्ली पुलिस को की कि मेरे पास कपिल सांगवान उर्फ नंदू नाम के गैंगस्टर की बार-बार कॉल्स आ रही हैं, मुझे धमकियां मिल रही हैं।
BJP on the other hand says Aam Aadmi Party in fact has turned Delhi into a hub for criminals. Now listen to that.
फिरौती, वसूली और भ्रष्टाचार यही आम आदमी पार्टी का शिष्टाचार। और जब कार्रवाई हो, कोई गिरफ्तार हो, कोई डिटेन हो तो चिल्लाएंगे अत्याचार अत्याचार, खेलेंगे विक्टिम वुड कार्ड। आज आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक का और आम आदमी पार्टी का असली चेहरा सामने निकल कर आ चुका है। किस प्रकार से शराब माफिया, फिर उसके बाद बिल्डर माफिया, ड्रग माफिया के बाद अब गुंडों के साथ, गैंगस्टर्स के साथ इनके संबंध है। कैसे फोन पर बात की जाती है कि फिरौती कैसे लेनी है, वसूली कैसे करनी है।
Next, yesterday, viewers, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal was on a Pad Yatra in South Delhi. A man splashed some liquid on him. The attacker was overpowered by security personnel and arrested. The Aam Aadmi Party claims Kejriwal is a victim of 3 such attacks in 35 days. All attempts by the BJP to burn Kejriwal alive. BJP has rubbished the charge. Now, in the last few years, almost a dozen and half Aam Aadmi Party netas have faced arrest. Amidst all this, Arvind Kejriwal also today ruled out the possibility of an alliance between his party, Congress or any other India bloc partners for the Delhi Assembly elections. Viewers, so we ask today, if politics is winning, aren't people of Delhi losing? And also, is the Aam Aadmi Party constructing a war with the BJP at multiple battlefronts to edge out the Congress party? That's our debate number 2 on NewsHour special edition this weekend. And joining us on the debate is Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP, Advocate Anol Panwar, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, Advocate Kaushal Mungta, leader of the Congress Party, is with us as well, and Dr. Akashdeep Muni, a political analyst. Good evening to all of you. Thank you for joining us here on Times Now. Advocate Anmol, I want to begin this debate with you this evening. BJP says AAP is guilty of charges. Aam Aadmi Party says it is the victim of all charges. What is happening in Delhi?
See, ever since Mr. Arvind Kejriwal expressed concerns about the safety of people of Delhi and questioned the deteriorating law and order situation in Delhi, the BJP has been visibly rattled. To harm Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, unhe jaan se marne ke liye, they have been orchestrating attacks against him. Vikas Puri mein, Nangloi mein, or kal Greater Kailash mein. Now, shockingly, yesterday they arrested Mr. Naresh Balyan in a one-year-old matter where he is a complainant himself. वो खुद शिकायत करता है, उन्होंने खुद कंप्लेंट करी कि उन्हें फिरौती की कॉल आ रही है, उन्हें गैंगस्टर कपिल सांगवान के द्वारा एक्सटॉर्शन किया जा रहा है. Rather than taking action against him, gangster, they arrested the complainant. So the message is loud and clear that anyone who dares to expose the crumbling law and order situation will be silenced through intimidation and arrest. Okay. Now it is for the BJP to answer. भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये बताए कि उन्होंने दिल्ली को अपराध की राजधानी, रेप कैपिटल, एक्सटॉर्शन कैपिटल क्यों बनाया?
Okay.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये बताए कि दिल्ली के
Sanju
लोगों को
Verma,
दहशत में
please
कब तक जीना
respond.
पड़ेगा?
BJP says under
Janata
AAP, Delhi
Party-
has become a hub of criminals. And you just heard what the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson has to say under BJP, how there is more extortion that's happening in the country. Please respond.
10 more seconds.
You know, we've all heard the purported tapes between Kapil Sangwan, the gangster concerned, and Naresh Balian. Let's wait for the judiciary to take the final call on that. Naresh Balian is in judicial custody. He's being interrogated. But I want to tell your audience one thing, and I will not take more than 15 seconds. Now, I don't want to be heckled, Hina, because the moment I start speaking, the others start jumping in. Let me finish. These are the people from Aam Aadmi Party. I will just read out 20 names, and then after that the Aam Aadmi panelists can rebut me. These are people who have either been arrested or who have been booked and are simply out on bail, but the trial is still on. Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, Satinder Jain, Amanatullah Khan, Somnath Bharti, Vijay Singla, Tahir Hussain, Sandeep Kumar, Naresh Balian, Naresh Yadav, Prakash Jadwal, Akhilesh Tripathi, Manoj Kumar, Jitendra Singh Tomar, Sharad Chauhan, Dinesh
Okay.
Mohania, Gulab Singh, Bhaggu Wala, and Raman Swamy. These
Okay.
are Aam Aadmi Party leaders who have been arrested either for extortion
Okay.
or for rape or for blasphemy or for corruption.
Okay.
किस मुंह से आप यहाँ पर आकर बीजेपी को भाषण देते हो?
Okay, okay. You've made your point. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, now the question is, in this particular case, the latest issue of Naresh Balian, cops have said, Delhi police officials have said that they are yet to verify the audio of that Sanju Verma is also referring to, and Aam Aadmi Party is also questioning the timing of this particular arrest.
Hinaji, it is very interesting that the victim who has complained against Kapil Sangwan, who is a gangster, you come without verifying the audio clip, you arrest the victim. And in this case, he is the Aam Aadmi Party leader. Interestingly, why they are doing so? They are doing so because Aam Aadmi Party has been raising the issue of crime in Delhi since a long time.
Okay.
Now I'll quote today. Today, Azad Akhtar, who is the head constable of Delhi police, he has been stabbed by the criminal.
Okay.
What we are doing when in the national capital, police are being stabbed by the criminals. Today it happened. And we have seen recently how things have turned in Delhi.
Okay.
Crime has risen to new heights. And that
And
is
I
why.
want to give the last word now to Advocate Kaushal Mungta. I have very little time left on this debate. Advocate Mungta, सवाल ये है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी किस तरह से देख रही है ये जो लड़ाई चल रही है बीजेपी और कांग्रेस के, बीजेपी और आम आदमी पार्टी के बीच में? आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेस को एज आउट करने की कोशिश करा जा रहा है?
मिलेगा बोलने का या नहीं?
देखिए, इन सारी चीजों के बीच में इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि कांग्रेस स्वतंत्र रूप से चुनाव लड़ रही है। 1998 से 2013 तक जो हमारा कांग्रेस का कार्यकाल रहा, शीला दीक्षित जी के नेतृत्व में हमने बुनियादी ढांचा खड़ा किया है
नहीं,
दिल्ली के
पर इस
अंदर।
मुद्दे में आप किसके साथ हैं? क्योंकि बीजेपी
नहीं, हम
आम
किसके
आदमी
साथ?
पार्टी पे सवाल खड़ा कर रही है, आम आदमी पार्टी बीजेपी पे सवाल खड़ा कर रही है। आप
देखिए,
किधर हैं इस मामले को जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं आज?
भाजपा की प्रवक्ता कह रही थी, कम से कम जो इन्होंने 20 नाम लिए आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं के, तड़ी पार तो इनमें से कोई नहीं है। 25-25 केस तो योगी आदित्यनाथ पर भी है। आरोप होना अलग बात है। आप सत्ता का दुरुपयोग करके जेल करवा देते हैं। वो बाहर
आपने मैंने जो सवाल पूछा उसका जवाब दीजिए। एडवोकेट मुक्ता, आप इसमें क्या, आप भी अरविंद केजरीवाल को विक्टिम मानते हैं?
जो प्रवक्ता कह रहे हैं मैं समर्थन करता हूं उनका,
All right.
मैं आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता का जो प्रवक्ता उनका समर्थन करता हूं।
All right. Well, Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party chief, has ruled out any kind of an alliance with the Congress in the upcoming elections. But good, I'm sure he'll be happy to hear that you are supporting the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson here on this debate.
मैं आम आदमी पार्टी मैं बात कह रहा हूं कि हम जो है भाजपा की जो
completely out of time. I'm completely out of time. But thank you very much, all of you, for joining us here on this debate.